Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to do a makeup tutorial, a very simple makeup tutorial but with a bold and sharp winged eyeliner. And I think it's been a very long time since I have uploaded this makeup tutorial kind of a video. Anyway, so here I am using this Maybelline foundation. This is in the shade 128 Warm Nude, and I will not be showing the product, but everything will be mentioned in the description down below. And if you remember this broken mirror, this is not with me anymore. You must be knowing this if you have watched my previous video. Anyway, so I am blending this foundation with the brush, and I have blended already. So I'm using this concealer. This is the Wet n Wild concealer in the shade medium tawny, and I'm just applying a very little, just on the corners of my eyes, and because I don't want a very full coverage in day-to-day basis. And yeah, I'm blending this concealer with the same foundation brush that I used before. So we are going to do a very light makeup today, and after blending my concealer I'll go for the blush. And if you know anything about me, you would know that I like to use my blush right after I've used my foundation, because this way the blush becomes long lasting, and once you seal it with the powder, trust me, it's not going anywhere. And after that I'm gonna comb through my eyebrows using this spoolie, and I'm gonna fill them up using a black eyeshadow. I know you're not supposed to use the black eyeshadow, but that just works for me. And I'm using this Nykaa eyeshadow palette. I have a separate review about them if you are curious. And then I'm gonna tap my lips with this red lipstick. I don't know, this is the Maybelline's lipstick, and the shade is Dare to be Red. This product is discontinued, I don't know. Alright, so the star of the show comes here. I cannot do my wing. Like, I can do my wing without the tape, but I like it to be a little crisp and sharp, so that's why I'm just, you know, I'm not fond of taking risks. Okay, so after sticking my tape, I'm just using this Maybelline Studio Gel eyeliner. Yeah, I'm really horrible at this. I don't remember the name of the cosmetics that I'm using, what kind of a beauty blogger I am. Anyway, so I'm gonna just tight line my eyes, and after that I'm gonna remove it, and there it is, your sharp winged liner. And after that I'll coat my lashes with a little bit of mascara. And yes, that's it for this look. This is very simple and everybody can create it. And please tell me, how did you like this video, especially the audio quality, because I'm using my mic today and I'm loving it. Actually, I feel like I'm doing a podcast. So yeah, that's it for today's video. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, if you like this video, then please give me a thumbs up. Also, do not forget to subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram.